Well, let's go across to Anuj, who's here with a quick check on the trade setup and how he's looking at the markets. Anuj, morning.
Morning, Prashant. My iPhone analytics just told me that I spend about 2 hours a day. I don't know what the answer was.
No, he was talking about particularly gaming.
No, I'm talking about the games that I have on iPhone, not the games that you were talking about on those skill-based games. I'm not talking about that. I'm just talking about pure entertainment games. Even that is 2 hours a day, which I need to cut down, by the way. Anyway, coming to the cues. Of course, the US Fed didn't indicate, the minutes didn't indicate that there would be any rate cut. But I think that is anyway next year's story. I think the market perhaps needed a correction to fall, the US market that is, after 5-day rally, and that's what it got. The housing stats data is clearly showing that cuts will happen, maybe in 2024, as early as March, whatever the Fed might say. That I think clearly is something which the bond yield reflected. The US bond yield actually yesterday still ended at day's low. So that in itself is telling you that the overall view is still that the rate cuts will happen. And that itself is positive for the markets. But maybe there was a reason for correction which was needed. In terms of data, yesterday there was in index futures buying of about 668 crores and stock futures about 2286 crores. Normally, when you see buying in both index futures and stock futures, the market normally sees some kind of consolidation. And if you see within index futures, there was long build up, and mostly in Nifty. Nifty has seen buying of 824 crores, while Bank Nifty has seen selling of about close to 150 crores. And there was long build-up and there was short covering, both which was witnessed in yesterday's trade. As a result, the net long short is down to 21% and 79%. 21% long and 79% short. Still a heavily short market. Coming to the levels then, on the Nifty, the first support is 19,754, and with a bit of a minor gap up, you get a bit of a cushion above that. And the bigger support is 19,675, which is based on the options data, tomorrow being the weekly expiry. On the Bank Nifty, where we have the weekly expiry today, the traders need to respect the boundary. And the boundary is 43,877 on the upside and 43,445 on the downside. You need to smartly play this range for one more day, and after that, perhaps a positional view will emerge on the Bank Nifty from tomorrow.
Okay, all right, Anuj, thanks a lot for that. For the time